Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your WordPress website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you install Google Sitekit to your WordPress website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to install Google Sitekit into your WordPress website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to install Google Analytics and sometimes even Google AdSense to make money on your website. Whatever the case is, it's all handled through Google Sitekit on your WordPress website. Now, you do need to log into your WordPress admin panel. I've already logged into mine, as you can see. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Now, in order to install Google Sitekit on your WordPress website, here on the left side, you have to install the plugin. It is a free plugin, so you want to go down here to plugin. It looks kind of like a little electric cable. Once you do that, you want to click on Add New Plugin. Okay, so here is the plugin search screen for WordPress. So you want to click in here to search plugins and then just type in Sitekit. Okay, so next you want to look for this one. It has the Google logo. You can see there's 4 million active installations. Go ahead and click on Install Now. Okay, now it's been installed, and make sure you click on Activate, this blue button here. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up right here. Congratulations, the Sitekit plugin is now activated. So you can go ahead and click on this Start Setup button. If you don't see this here for some reason, here on the left, you just scroll all the way to the top on this black menu and click on Sitekit. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up your Google Sitekit in your WordPress website. So this is optional. This is if you want to share data with Google. I don't really like to do that. So I'm going to click Sign In with Google. Okay, next you need to choose the email that is associated with that particular website. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Okay, next, Google does let you know that your information will be shared right here. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on Continue. Okay, I had previously connected my Sitekit to this particular website, so I'm going to click on Continue. If not, you'll need to choose which services you want to connect to your Google Sitekit on WordPress. Okay, now my Sitekit has been installed and connected to my WordPress website. Now, Google Sitekit is set up into these 4 different sections right here: traffic, content, speed, and monetization. So traffic is going to be your analytics if you connected that. Content and speed is going to be more of your Google Search Console. And then monetization if you had turned that on with Google AdSense. So as you can see, it gives you a lot of different data on your website, like visitors, impressions, best performing pages. And then down at the bottom, you can go ahead and connect your AdSense. If you make revenue from your websites from AdSense, you can easily connect that here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to install Google Sitekit into your WordPress website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.